Hey everybody, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table. Today we are making some last minute, quick and easy Christmas gifts, okay? We're going to do, this one is going to be for the coffee lover. Just a quick mug gift, okay? And everything came from Dollar Tree. So I got this pretty clear mug from Dollar Tree. We have the Gourmet Harry and David coffee blend. It's the breakfast blend. We have some turtles, peppermints, assorted chocolates, and a tin of these butter shortbread cookies. These things have shrunk. These things were like full tin size, like even last year. Now they got these little video things, but okay. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna put just some, extra, just some little chocolates down here as fillers. Gonna put our coffee in here. Nothing fancy, okay? But we're gonna make it fancy. It's how you put stuff together is the key. Okay, and then we have to put some candy canes in here. That's all. Just maybe like 6 little pieces of chocolate. Yeah, that's all. And I keep the top because I want this as tall as possible. Sometimes you put the retail thing down. Sometimes I'll keep it up if I want it tall. Okay. Then I'm going to put some tape on the cookie tin. I'm going to tape it down. If you have glue dots, use glue dots. My glue dots are packed away so deep I can't get to them. I'll be packing stuff away and I can't get to it. Okay, just make sure everything is secure. Okay, it's very secure. Okay, so now I'm going to take some cello wrap, which I got from Dollar Tree. Center it. Pull up all of the paper. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Pull everything up. Then I'm gonna take my tape and pull it around. As if you don't have if you don't have like a tie, twist tie, you can always use tape. And then we're gonna pull everything up really tight. Cut it straight across, all the excess. And just a minute, that one's too big. Put a nice bow on there. And for this, because of the size of this bag, this tail is too long, so you tie it in the back. And make another bow in the back. Okay, and then fluff the bow. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About $8. You have a nice little mug gift. And they can always have that mug. Here's our other one. And then put the your to and from tag. You get those from Dollar Tree as well. These name tags. And there we go. That was under 10 minutes. You can pull it together. Once you have all of your supplies handy, you want this one to be a horizontal bow. Okay, guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this inspired you. That it's how you put things together. It's the thought that counts. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money. These would be great for, like, I used to give stuff like this out to my team when I worked on a help desk. And so, this brings joy to people and it helps brighten their day. Let someone know that you're thinking of them, okay? All right, so they got something to snack on at work or at church or your neighbors. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate your support and Merry Christmas. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe because we're going to still keep going in 2025. So that's my poem. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe so you'll see what I'm doing in 2025. Okay, guys, bye. See you in my next video. Bye, Mom.